What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis Jr. here with ericellisjr.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to freaking get real freaking followers in the fastest, most legitimate way in 2018. Stay freaking tuned. Alright guys, so we're actually behind my Instagram as we speak, if you look here. Now, first and foremost, step number one is you need to leverage hashtags, right? Now, just to show you my most recent photos, I always use hashtags. So if we look, the best way is using the hashtags on the second comment. So you're gonna notice, hold on. Let me go on one of my last. Here we go. So I have so many freaking comments on here. But hashtags, right? So travel, traveling, travelers, traveler, explorer, exploring, explorer. So why am I leveraging hashtags? Simply because I want a specific group of people to actually reach me. So people who are interested in travel, entrepreneurship, business, everything of that nature, they're going to find me because that's what I'm showing, that's what type of hashtags I'm using, right? So you want to leverage the right hashtags, very targeted hashtags. So what is you need to know your avatar. What is your ideal follower? What type of content do you produce? Because depending on what type of content you produce, you want that type of person following you because they're going to be more likely to engage with your following, and if they engage with your content, then the more engagement that you get with your content, you're also going to go ahead and get more following, right? Point blank period, it's easy. Now if you look at this photo, it has 765 likes, right? It has 50 comments. Why? Because I'm simply leveraging, right, hashtags, and I'm getting people to actually look at my photos, right? And basically you always want to use all 30. There's no reason not to use all 30 hashtags, and you want to make sure they're specifically targeted. If you're trying to do health and wellness, do fitness hashtags. If you're trying to do entrepreneurship, do entrepreneurship-based hashtags, right? So with that being said, next step. Step number 2 is engaging with a specific number of people daily. Now, there's 2 ways, right? I'm going to teach you the organic way, and then I'm going to teach you the hacker way, right? So the organic way is simply by, right, if I was to go on somebody's page, like somebody who I'm following, like Gary V, right? What I can do is I can tap one of his pieces of content, go to who's following him, and the people who are following him, right, if I'm into entrepreneurship, I can simply tap their Instagram, right, and I can start engaging with their content, like liking their photos. I'm not gonna like any photos right now because I don't know if I've liked too many, so I don't want to get, because Instagram limits the amount of people you can engage with per day, because then they're going to think you're a little bit spammy. But when you like people's stuff, and then if you comment nice things, now if you look at one of my photos, you're going to notice a lot of people doing this, right? Thumbs up, the wolf himself, you see, great shot, thanks for following, happy face, right? Now what I would currently recommend is people who would be most likely, like the accounts that are like yours but way bigger, you go to their account, you see who's engaging with their content, because that means they're real people, real followers, and then you simply go to their account and you drop a nice comment on their last picture, because people who come across that picture will see who commented, they'll visit your profile, and if you have good content, they'll drop a follow. And also that person, even if they're not following you, if you drop a nice comment on their photo, they'll be more likely to actually follow you because you complimented them, right? Even if you're not following them, as long as you have good content, right, they'll follow you back. And also, the cheat code, right? The way to do it is with Instagram engagement groups. You can simply go to something called reddit.com, and you can search for Instagram engagement groups. And within the Instagram engagement groups, you can simply, at 12 o'clock, everybody posts, everybody likes your photos. So it's gonna boost your engagement. So instead of getting, let's just say on average I was getting 500 likes, my average post might get 700 likes now because I have more people liking it. The more engagement you get on your post, it's actually gonna start showing up on the Explorer page. So if you was to click right here, the Explorer page is this page right here, right? So you're more likely to show and display on people's page that aren't following you simply by getting more people to engage. Because if a lot of people are engaging with your content, you'll show up on that Explorer page. So leveraging Instagram engagement groups. Also, you can do commenting engagement groups. It's literally a Telegram group where at a certain point in time, everybody posts at one time. In exchange for you liking their photos, they'll like yours back. So if 200 people are within that round, then you'll get an additional 200 likes. So imagine if your average photo is getting 50 likes, what would happen if it would to boost up to 100 or 150 likes, right? So leveraging Instagram engagement groups. So as stated before, number 2 is simply by engaging with people on a daily. And what I would do is a set amount of people, right? Pick to comment on 50 people's per day and like 3 each of their photos, 50 people per day, right? Make it a part of your daily method of operation simply by liking maybe a certain amount of people's per day, like 20, 50, 100, right? Because the more people you engage with, the more people are going to come across your profile. I want you guys to look at something. At the top of mine, it says 2,349 profile visits in the last 7 days, right? The more visits you get to your profile, if they see you have good content, they're gonna follow it. So the way you get visitors to your profile is simply by engaging with people, right? And the way I can look at this is because I have a business profile. I can see visitors and track data and everything of that nature, right? And last but not least, step number 3. So step number 1 was leveraging hashtags. Step number 2 was liking and commenting on people's posts and leveraging Instagram engagement groups. Simply by engaging with more people, you're gonna go ahead and get more profile visits, thus more followers. And last but not least, some people might like it, some people might not. I don't care. You're watching this video because you want more followers. I'm going to teach you how to get more followers, right? Now, somebody who's like me, I'm into entrepreneurship. So if you're in entrepreneurship or if you're into fitness, somebody with a much bigger account, you simply go to their profile, right? You pick a piece of their content. You look at, so 93,000 people liked him. What I would do is if you look here, following, right? But all these blue, I'm going to turn these blue into white, right? I'm going to turn them into following. And what I'm going to do is every maybe hour or so, every hour, I'm going to follow 200 people. Every hour, 200 people. It does not take a long period of time. Follow 200 people. And then what happens is once you get to a certain amount of people, right? If you notice on my Instagram, I have 3,500 people that I'm following. My threshold is usually about 4,000 rather. I'm not going to follow more than 4,000 people, right? You simply go to this app right here on the App Store. It's called Cleaner for IG. And what you're going to do is with Cleaner for IG, you're going to go ahead and literally it allows you to follow on autopilot, unfollow up to 200 people per hour. So the same 200 people that you follow, you unfollow them, you clear it. What's going to happen is a percentage of those people who actually you followed are going to follow you back. At my current present point is about 20%. So if I follow 100 people, that means I'm going to gain 20 followers and rinse and repeat. So with that being said, that, my friend, is how you freaking gain real followers the legitimate way, right? Not buying them, right? They're real followers, it's real engagement. 3 simple steps, guys. Leveraging hashtags, engaging with people daily, and follow and unfollow. Now, at the end of the day, if your main goal is to generate followers, great. Being Insta famous, I'm not Insta famous, but sometimes people think I'm famous because I have 12,000 followers, right? Or they think I'm a somebody, right? It is pretty cool to have a large following. Like, people do like it. So hopefully that helps you guys out. What I want to do is actually give you guys access to an ebook, right? It's called Affiliates Playbook. It'll simply teach you how to build a passive income online very quickly. And what you can do is you can actually leverage your Instagram following to generate an income. It's called Affiliates Playbook. You can go to affiliatesplaybook.com or you can click the link in the description and you can get access to that ebook. That's a free gift for you watching this full video. So that way when you do grow on Instagram, why not make money doing it? So with that being said, make sure you smash that subscribe button to join the family so I can teach you how to crush it in your lifestyle and your business. And also smash that like button and drop a boy a comment, show me some love, heart sign, let me know I'm ugly, something, drop a damn comment. With that being said, Eric Ellis Jr., as always, checking out.